Hello everyone. In this new video of the reflex release treatment series, we are going to demonstrate the use of modified Hoffman sign to treat conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome, lateral and medial epicondylitis. Now, normally Hoffman sign is assessed for in conditions of upper motor neuron lesion, in which when the therapist or the clinician flicks the distal phalanx of the middle finger in this manner, it involves an involuntary flexor contraction of the thumb and the index finger. Now, what I learned from the PRRT home study course that has been developed by John Iams, who is a physiotherapist from US, that this same maneuver can also be used as a treatment tool for managing conditions like tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, as well as carpal tunnel syndrome. Now for this, the patient is going to be in the seated position and forearm is going to be supported. The therapist is going to ask the patient to actively extend the wrist, and then what we are going to do is we are going to take the middle finger into extension. The middle phalanx of the middle finger is going to be stabilized by the index finger of the therapist, and now the therapist's thumb is going to flick the nail of the patient. So the distal phalanx, that is the distal phalanx of the middle finger, is going to be flicked repeatedly by the therapist in this manner. So this reflexive rebound of the distal phalanx in the extension is going to reflexively release the muscle, thereby easing tension in the flexor and extensor muscle group. Repeat this maneuver 10 to 12 times in one set, and this whole set can be repeated 3 to 4 times. Incorporate this treatment technique into the treatment regime that you are already following for tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, and carpal tunnel syndrome. Do provide us your valuable feedback of the treatment outcome. See you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.